Today I'm going to show you how to import collections and environments in Postman. Okay, so I'm here in Postman and I got a workspace called project and I don't have any collections and environments. Okay, so how to import collections and environments. So to import collections and environments, just go to File, click Import, and in my case, I'm going to select Files. And this is my collection and this is my environment. So I'm going to highlight both and click Open. And Postman will automatically detect which one is collection and which one is environment, as we can see here. And I'm going to go ahead and click Import. Now we see the collection and the environment. Okay, so let me actually try to run the requests here. So we see that when I click on the login request, I don't see the value. So I need to enable or activate the environment. I'm going to click on the environment and I'm going to set active. And if I go back to the login request, now I see the value. And here I also see the value of username and the password. Okay, so let me go ahead and click send. So this is a DevNet sandbox. Sometimes it doesn't work, but let me go ahead and try again. Okay, now we got a 200 OK status. So that's the login request. And let me go ahead and run the get devices request. So this will retrieve the list of devices. Okay, we got a 200 OK and we see the header and data. Okay, so that's how to import collections and environments in Postman. Okay, so hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, please consider subscribing and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.